Learn CSS Grid and Flexbox pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think CSS is just about colors and fonts. The surprising truth is that mastering CSS Grid and Flexbox is crucial for responsive, modern layouts, and pricing reflects how much practical learning and real-world application you receive. Entry-level courses focus on the basics, creating simple grids, flex containers, and aligning items. These are perfect for beginners experimenting with layout techniques. You get hands-on exercises, but often no full project examples or advanced responsive design guidance. Mid-tier courses teach more complex layouts, nesting grids, combining Flexbox and grid and responsive design techniques for different devices. They often include multiple mini projects to solidify your understanding. This pricing tier is ideal for front-end developers aiming to improve workflow and create professional-looking websites. Premium courses include advanced topics like this: animations, grid template areas, dynamic layouts, real-world website builds, and mentorship support. These courses give you the confidence to build complex interfaces and streamline front-end development efficiently. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of structured learning. The real benefit comes from projects, exercises, and applying the knowledge immediately. Investing in a well-designed CSS Grid and Flexbox course accelerates your ability to build modern, responsive websites. In conclusion, CSS Grid and Flexbox course pricing reflects the level of hands-on experience, project complexity, and guidance. Choosing the right course ensures you gain practical skills, improve productivity, and create layouts that look and function perfectly on any device.